guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that. And I tried to do a makeup look where I did this makeup look and I lost a whole bunch of footage. The most important footage, it was the part when I did my eye makeup. And yeah, it kind of sucks, but it is Saturday. I need to get this video up, so I thought I'd change what video I was going to put out today and do one that I had planned for in the future. But because I don't have a lot of time left, if I want to get this up in time, I'm going to try and not edit this video as much. So if I make a few mistakes or I take some time to think, that is why, because I don't want to have to spend too much time editing things out. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to give you 5 things that are essential in your makeup kit. This is things that you'll need in your makeup kit. This is my makeup kit. It is pink, it is beautiful, I know. But yeah, I do makeup for movie sets and that kind of thing. So yeah, I also have an Instagram page which you can go and follow. I did put photos up of this makeup look. If you guys do want to see me posting this tutorial, then give it a like or comment down below and I'll refilm it for you. But yeah, I'm going off topic. Anyway, point is, I do a lot of makeup, SFX makeup for film sets, and so I've acquired a list of things that I have to have in my kit whenever I go out on a film set or whatever. So yeah, this will also help you guys if you're just doing makeup at home or whatever the story is. But yeah, let's get on with the 5 things that I have. Okay, so the first thing I have that I see is this. This is a oil control paper, so it's like blotting sheets. Often what I find is that my models that I'm doing makeup on, some of them have like really oily skin, and then I find it difficult to put like foundation on their skin. So I use one of these. This is just from Essence. It works really, really well. I know my boyfriend keeps stealing them. But yeah, it's just like a little sheet and you use that and you clear all the oil, and then it helps the foundation stick a lot better. So yeah, always have this in my kit. Like it permanently stays in my kit. So yeah. Then the next thing I have are spoolies. If you're new to makeup, you don't really know about the dangers that can happen with like bacteria and infections and stuff. So if you're doing eye makeup on a model and then you go and you do eye makeup on another model, then you gotta use one of these. Because if you're doing mascara and you dip your mascara wand into your mascara pot and then you put it on someone and then you go to the next person and use the same one, you've just got that person's eye infections, whatever the infections they will have, on this brush, and now you're putting it into the other person's eye. So if that person has like pink eye, then the other person will have pink eye, and that is a terrible thing to do, especially in the makeup company. If you sprayed like infections and stuff, no one's gonna want to come to you to actually have their makeup done. So that's why I always keep these in my kit. I use them once, they're disposable, you throw them in the bin. You can wash them, I've done that a couple times, but yeah, I just find it easier and safer to just throw them away, so then you have no chance of any infection. But yeah, I have 2 of these, and well, I have a lot more in my kit, but I have 2 here, but yeah. Then we have bobby pins. You never know when you're going to come with a model and she's going to have really long hair and her hair keeps falling in her face and you're going to have to keep asking her to move it away or whatever. Always have bobby pins so that you can clip it, ask her to clip it back or whatever, and then you can continue doing their makeup without having to worry about their hair getting in their face. So yeah, that's what I always keep, because you never know if your actress is actually going to have clips with them. So yeah. Moving on, powder. Especially when it comes with going on set, you can't really have a shiny face. Okay, well, it depends on the situation, but most times you can't really have a shiny face because of all the lights. The lights are shining on the model, and their face becomes really shiny and it doesn't look so nice on camera. So that's why I always carry just like baby powder. Yeah, it works well on every skin tone, you don't have to stress about it. Unless you're putting too much, just like a little dusting over it just to make sure that it's not shiny. So yeah, that's what I always keep, and it's just a little bottle, it's so simple. And then it also comes in handy with SFX if you need like a white face. Got you. And finally, it's technically 2 in 1, but I have a roller towel and I have, this is rubbing alcohol, I think, I don't know. But basically what I use this for is for my brushes. I need to sneeze really badly. Don't sneeze, please. I don't want to have to edit that out. Anyway, okay, I think it's gone. Yeah, so what I use these for is for my brushes. The roller towel, I lay this out onto the table. I normally do like a double layer, depending like if there's a table that is like wood. I don't want to ruin it with my rubbing alcohol or whatever, I don't want to risk anything. So I normally do 2 layers. And then this used to be a hand sanitizer bottle, but I just like, I finished the hand sanitizer and then just poured this. It's just rubbing alcohol, super cheap. It works as a brush cleaner. The one that I used to use was Cryolin's brush cleaner. And then I looked at the ingredients and it's pretty much rubbing alcohol. So we went to the hardware store and bought it for like 50 rand, and it's a bottle like this. So actually it's right there, hold on, let me show you. Here. Okay, so this is the bottle I got and it was literally like 50 rand. That's super cheap. So yeah, it's literally, it says, I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, it's rubbing alcohol basically, and yeah, I just keep filling this up every time I go out, and then I can just literally squeeze this over my roller towel. Where is it? My roller towel. And then yeah, use that to clean my brushes, because after every single model you want clean brushes because you don't want to risk infections. So yeah, that's why I always clean my brushes after every single model. So yeah, that is basically all the things that I have to have in my makeup kit, besides the actual makeup and like the brushes and that kind of thing. Yeah, always make sure to have those. Also, there are little other things, but I don't think it really applies because I also do hair for people. Like I include like a little comb, and I include like elastic bands. But if you're not doing hair on a model, then it doesn't really matter. It doesn't affect you. These are just like purely makeup tips that I include in my kit. So yeah, let me know if you want to find out more like tips about my makeup kit, because yeah, I don't know if you guys are interested in that, but yeah, I just feel like I really enjoy showing you guys this because this is what I do. So yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week with an all new video. Bye guys.